So hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see how to change days of email to sync in your Outlook. So guys, if you want to change days of email to sync in Outlook, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all open your Outlook application. After that guys, click on your profile. Then guys, go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of accounts. In the accounts, choose your account. After choosing your account guys, move downward. Guys, here you see the option of sync setting. Automatically sync and download your email and attachment. So just click it. And guys, here you see option of days of email to sync. Only email from the past 30 days will be automatically sync and download. So you just click here. And guys, here if you want to add custom, so you just click on the custom. And if you want to choose from the options, so you choose any of them. Okay. So guys, this is the best way to sync your setting in your Outlook. Okay. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.